Hello everybody, welcome to day 3 of week 2 of 2026 summer card camp. I can't believe the time has gone so fast, but I'm excited for what we have to do today, and luckily we still have a bonus video to come, so we're not saying goodbye yet, so let's get busy. The first card is our Dear Santa. I love this. You know, I like mailboxes, especially filled with letters to Santa. So I thought this was especially fun little twist on a mailbox. And this, I think, is so cute. The little Dear Santa is fun. I've tucked in the little envelopes. I've added the little holly that comes with it, mounted on this little, almost like a snowy day background, and on our Blackbird Christmas tunes paper. So I thought I would just show you a little variation of this that you might have fun creating. Okay, we have got all of our pieces cut out, but first I'll show you the supplies we need, and that is our I got confused for a second. We're using ho-ho on the background for the little card sentiment. Or for the background, sorry. We're going to use card cutout 1035, card cutout 979, and card cutout 1005. Now, there aren't enough sheets in your kit to do this ho-ho. Because I'd actually planned another card, which we are going to still do, just not today. So we're going to do it in our bonus video. So in the meantime, you can use any black paper you have, or any paper you have for that matter. I've already got the pieces cut out. I am using the ho-ho, and I've got my mailbox cut out. I have 2 little Christmas trees. They're already cut out. A little present. And then I just wanted to show you, I ripped some paper to create a little ruffled edge along here. Oops. I don't have it tucked down very good because I want to be able to create it with you. And this is about 1.5 inches wide. So just tear a strip of paper. I happen to use just some scrap paper that I had left over. So any paper you have will work. And I did 2 pieces so we can kind of tuck them in like so. I'm going to go ahead and tape one side down so we can see how we want to position things inside before we get all carried away. And I am using mounting tape for the second layer because I wanted to give them more depth there. Okay, and then look how cute this is. This cute little mailbox we have tucked into the snowdrift we've created. So I can stick that in here. Now, if you wanted to make it a little deeper, you could always cut the edge of this off, but I'm going to just line it up so it's close, bring it in a little bit more. Let's see. I'm going to add a little double-sided tape to the base here. So when I tuck it in, it will stay in place. So I'm going to position it about like so. I do have mounting tape on the top, so it'll give it a little dimension. And then there's also this little holly sprig that comes with the mailbox. I've just cut it out and put it on as well. And then we have our cute little trees. I'm going to tuck this one behind for the snowdrift. And then this next one, I'm going to tuck behind the top little snowdrift. And you can just see how cute those are tucked in there. And then I am going to use I'm going to tuck the little present in. I've got myself some mounting tape. I'll just peel off the back of it. And then you can just tuck that in however you want. And then you can come back, once you have your things all positioned, as to how you would like it, because this little tree obviously keeps moving. I didn't get it positioned very well. You can come back either with mounting tape, and I'm going to use the mounting tape, and just adhere that a little bit better once you have your placement. And we've got our cute little trees, and all in a snowbank. I just love it. So you can see what a different look that is for that cute same mailbox. So I can't wait to see what you create. Remember, if you're going to post on Pinterest, use hashtag #LICards. Or we'd love to have you post on our Facebook page. Okay, our next card we are having so much fun with would be our North Pole with this cute little Santa sleigh. And I didn't realize it at first, but I actually have used the ho-ho background. But it is so cute on the red. You can do it on anything and you will love it. Okay, so this little card we are going to use. This card cut out $9.90. I love all of the little embellishments that we get. It's so fun to just add a little holly leaf, holly sprigs, some stars to whatever our project is. We have card cut out $9.96, Santa's bag. Card cut out $9.85, a little tree. And then card cut out $9.91 are candy canes. So I have all the pieces cut out. And what we're going to do is, this is the perfect example of how to add the little stars and the holly and the little toys. That toys actually comes with, it's on one of the sentiments, but it is also on the Santa's bag, so $9.96. There's also a cute, oh, this is a little sneak secret. But there is a red one that will be on the website that is so cute too. I think you will love it. So look to see what all of our options are. And I just have a little bit of mounting tape here, so I can kind of tuck it in place. And now I can tuck in all of our goodies. I already added our toys, our little star and our holly. And now look, there are just so many fun things you can do. You can add the little candy cane. You can add the Christmas tree. You can add a cute little present. Let's see, I don't have adhesive on all these things, so let me just hurry and do that. I just love how you can stuff the things inside of Santa's bag. What better place for them would there be? One thing I like about using double-sided tape, if it's a small place, you can just tuck it in on itself and you're not trying to cut out those little small pieces. And we have our little sleigh bag. Isn't that just cute? I think it turned out so darling. So you can see there's going to be a lot of fun things you're going to want to do. And our final card, we have a little bonus card today. And I mean, I saved the best for last. And that is, you've noticed in your kit, I'm sure, card cut out 1020, card cut out 1019, and the collage paper. Now, I love this collage paper for this card in particular. It just is such a subtle background. I have all my pieces cut out, and I'm just going to go ahead and put in this cute little snowy night. Actually, maybe there's stars is more fitting for this night. And then I have my little manger cut out, and I'm just going to position that on top of that. I think that's just super sweet, as well as my little baby Jesus. And then, just to give a little more dimension, there is also a star you can cut out, And then I used mounting tape because I wanted to just give it more dimension and bring a little more attention there. And then the cute little sign for such a perfect night. And that is Oh Holy Night. Now it's cute down here. You could put it up here. There's just so many things that you can do. Thank you so much for stopping by day 3. Watch for the bonus video. I know you're gonna love it. Happy camping.